Assalamu alaikum respected viewers. My name is Ahmad Riaz. I am a student of grade 8 at International Model School Shamozai. Today my topic of presentation is Newton's laws of motion. Sir Isaac Newton was an English mathematician, physicist and astronomer. He presented 3 laws of motion. We will discuss it one by one. First law of motion. It says that a body at rest will remain at rest and a body in motion will continue its motion in a straight line until some external forces acts upon it. We will understand this through an example. If we put a book on a table, it will remain on a table until someone pick it up. Similarly, if we throw or kick a ball, it will come to rest after some time because of the external forces like gravitational force, air resistance and friction. Now let's discuss second law of motion. The second law of motion says that when force is applied on a body, acceleration is produced. This acceleration is directly proportional to the force applied and inversely proportional to the mass of the body. When we combine the two equations, we get. When we remove the proportionality sign and insert the equality sign, we get. By rearranging the equation, we get F is equal to ma. Equation 3 is mathematically form of second law of motion. We will understand the relationship between force, mass and acceleration. When we apply same amount of force to a truck and a car, the greater acceleration will be produced in the car and lesser in the truck. Why? It is because of the masses of the truck and car respectively. The greater mass, the lesser acceleration is produced and vice versa. Now let's discuss third law of motion. This law states that for every action there is always an equal but opposite reaction. It must be kept in mind that action and reaction will not on a same body but in a different body. We will understand this through an example. If we walk on the ground, we apply force on the ground, which is action, and as a reaction, the ground pushes us forward, which is reaction. That's all. Thanks for watching.